Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how can we use the Linux based operating system on any operating system without even installing it. So for that, let's open the browser. On the browser we will have to search an amazing website called DistroTest, right? When you will hit the enter, you will see this first link of distrotest.net, right? So just click on that. So as we have discussed in the previous video, there were many distribution or distros of the Linux based operating systems. So here in this website we can actually use them without installing it in our machine, right? So actually the operating systems are hosted on different machines, uh, based on servers, and through these servers we can actually access those machines, right? So there are plenty of Linux based operating systems which we can use on this website. As you can see that on my right side we have top operating system: Deepin, Kali Linux, Ubuntu Elementary, Ubuntu 19.10, and that was Ubuntu 19.4, Android OS, Arch Linux, right? And also, if you want to see the full list based of sorted on the basis of characters, right? So there is another list. So in this video, I will show you using one operating system. So let's use this. Let's open this uh, Ubuntu operating system, right? So I will just start from here so you can see how to use that it from here. So I will just go into U, right? I will just search it there. uh, uh, right, so here is Ubuntu. I will click on it. So let's use the latest version, Ubuntu 20.04. So you will just have to hit the start button, right? So it will give some waiting time, right? And then the operating system will start automatically. Just wait for few time, right? So now this will pop up here. So click on open VNC viewer, right? This will open up this window. Let's full screen this, right? So here on this screen my Ubuntu operating system is starting. As you can see that I haven't installed this operating system on my computer. I am using Windows 10, right? But upon Windows 10 I am using Ubuntu operating system without installing, right? This is not installed on my hard disk or anywhere. I am just using it on internet, right? So let it just boot up and then we will use it, right? It takes a little time to do so. Okay, so I think it is started now. Actually this because this operating system is based upon server, it is slower than the actual Linux operating system which you will install on your computer, but it is beneficiary for those who don't want to install it on their computer, right? But they just want to use it, right? So let me just go back. I will just click on try, right? I am not going to install it on the server. I will just click on try. So in this server actually the Linux 20.04 is not installed, but actually there are operating system which are already installed in it, right? But you can actually try click on try Ubuntu, so you can try the Ubuntu based operating systems here. it will take a few time because I have already said you that it is slower than the actual uh, operating system, right? So here is your Ubuntu window. You can use it here. I will just show you by opening the terminal, right? So the shortcut is Alt Control and T, or you can open it by right clicking here and clicking on open in terminal, right? So here is my terminal. I can use it, right? As you can see, I can use it easily. So let me just show you by using another operating system. So let's just start with the Kali Linux, right? I will just hit on start, right? Similar windows is appeared to me, right? So I can use multiple operating system. I can see whether how the look and feel of the operating system is even before installing it on our computer. So we can actually decide to install which operating system we want, which is best for us, right? So when I started this Kali Linux operating system, it is on live AMD4. I will just hit enter. Now it will open up, boot up the Kali Linux operating system for me, right? So this gives you benefit that the operating system is how the operating system look and feel is, so you can install the best one for you, right? It will just take few minutes and then it will start. Yes, so now this is started. As you can see, it doesn't require any installation, it is already installed, right? So Ubuntu 20.04 actually was not installed on the server. It was asking to install. You can install that also. So as you can see, here it is, complete uh, Kali Linux based operating system, right? I will just open up the menu, right? So you have everything here. Web tools, network tools are already installed in it, right? Also Chromium browser and all stuffs are installed here. I will just open up the terminal. This is the only disadvantages of using it on a VNC server is that it is a little bit slower because it may be running on an HDD storage or the users may be very large, but it is okay. You can use it and learn it, right? So here we can type everything, right? I am running few command. Let me just go to desktop. Let me just make a file, sorry, on the desktop. Let's say sagar.txt. As you can see that saga.txt is created on the desktop, right? So it is working absolutely fine, right? So there is no problem. You can use it and you can use this distro test based operating system to learn the complete the Linux tutorial series, right? So I hope you have understood how to use Linux based operating system even without installing it on your operating system. So thank you for this video. I hope to see you next time. Happy coding. Bye bye.